Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up a video on iPhone. Let's get started. So for that, you need to go ahead and simply download an app that's called iMovie. If you don't have the app installed in your mobile device, open the App Store and the search bar search for iMovie and then simply download it. Once you have downloaded it, simply open it up. Now inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on Movie and then select your video that you would like to speed up. After that, simply tap on Create Movie. Just like that inside here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the video in your timeline. And right over here, you'll be able to find a speedometer. Simply tap onto it. And just like that, to speed up your video, drag the slider to your right. And after you're done, simply tap on Done right over here. And just like that, you can go ahead and simply tap on Sure. And then tap on Save Video. And that's it. That is how you can speed a video on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.